So I'm here now inside the Suratani Airport and wala did kayo siya katao-tao guys. Mostly they're closed. Ilang mga stores are. So we'll see. So just Air Asia lang ang open. Kasi so Air Asia lang. You can see guys, some airlines closed sila. So here's my ticket. So as you can see, na ay mga nangabot po di kandon mo ang Suratani. And wearing mask is a must. So don't forget to wear your mask guys. So actually guys, I was stuck here. There is a Suratani, I mean sa Wengsa, part of Suratani for almost 2 months. So that time, walay airplane, walay train. So dili ko makauli sa Kanchanaburi. But good thing is nag-open na karon ng airline, and actually I was planning mag-train unta, but then when I checked sa online nila, there's no train available. So I tried mag-airplane, and good thing is ang Air Asia is available na sila. And that's why I'm here. I'm trying to board, and I need to ready. Check my temperature. So or nakadala sa lang guys. So it's here. Going to the airport. I mean airplane. So mine is 9.
Ladies and gentlemen, in view of COVID-19 pandemic prevention, we would like to ask for your collaboration to sit and leave a space beside, and please put on your personal mask at all times. Additionally, please be informed that passengers are not allowed to consume personal food and beverages on board throughout the flight. Failure to comply will result in legal action and be punished by law. Thank you.
Should an oxygen mask like this automatically drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally.
สวมหน้ากากให้ตัวเองก่อนแล้วจึงสวมให้ผู้ที่อยู่ภายใต้ความดูแลของท่าน
First things first, you wear your seatbelt.
ทุกท่านบนเครื่องบินของเราค่ะเพื่อความปลอดภัยกรุณารักษาเข็มขัดที่นั่งจับนั่งเก้าอี้ให้ในตำแหน่งตรงและพับต้องนั่งที่นั่งกรุณาใช้ตู้โทรศัพท์มือถือระหว่างการเดินทางท่านสามารถใช้ได้อีกครั้งเมื่อท่านเข้าสู่อาคารผู้โดยสารที่สถานีปลายทางค่ะขอเรียนให้ท่านทราบว่าเที่ยวนี้เป็นเที่ยวบินปลอดบุหรี่เราหวังว่าท่านจะได้รับความสะดวกสบายตลอดการเดินทางในเที่ยวบินขอบคุณค่ะ
Ladies and gentlemen, in view of COVID-19 pandemic prevention, we would like to ask for your kind cooperation to sit and leave a space beside, and please put on your personal mask at all times. Additionally, please be informed that passengers are not allowed to consume personal food and beverages on board throughout the flight. Failure to comply with result in legal action and be punished by law. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, in view of COVID-19 pandemic prevention, we would like to inform you that food, beverages, and specialized service will not be available on board this flight. Right now at the airport, and we're going to prepare para mag-out. Sometimes it's scary to travel, guys, especially right now, but yeah, don't forget to pray and take precautions. Social distance kids siya. So, ang left side lang yung nagibanaan, guys. Dito siya pako. So, next, kami likod ang right side. Kaya tanong pa sa mga tayo. Third on magsakay ko o bus o dito mo trip and then trip ko dito Kanchanaburi.
The remaining passengers to disembark and ensure that you have
Thank you so much, Air Asia,
Thank you for your
taking
cooperation.
care of us. Happy journey starts on board. In fairness to the ilahang pilot. So, arrive here safe and sound. But, yeah, like kayo siya, guys. So, ano kay punod ang mga tao dire. But right now, look, just me and these people. Yeah. So, it's okay to travel actually, but need na to mag-amping. Okay, especially wala ta kabalo sa atong kauban. Wala ta kabalo sa atong mga kauban sa biyahe. So, just be careful lang yun. Mingaw tayo. Wala katawa-tang airport. Sige lang. So, mo naman yung new normal. So, as you can see, sa likod, lights off. Na, hindi siya nga na tagang tao. Ay. I'm not used to it nga mag-storya while talking or unsa daw. Sige, patakan ako mag-storya. So, I can imagine, guys, nga no, ang uban airlines nag-file of bankruptcy. So, yan yung customers or yan yung kagamay passengers. So, let's find the exit para makasakay tag bus going to Muchi. As you can see, guys, wala din tayo siya katao-tao. But thank you, Thailand, because you permitted other airlines na mag so this is nun mo to make sure na ang passengers okay. I need to find now, as you can see. A1 bus is coming and going to Muchi. Ano siya, guys? And it's raining, guys. Yeah, it's raining, so what can you do? So first things first, before going back to Kanchanaburi, I'll just stop here for my favorite beach shop. They're open. I really like Yamazaki, so I want to buy this bread. Need to find bus going to Muchit Terminal bus station. Kaya dito ko magsakay o van going to Kanchanaburi. Sa Thailand, flight curfew until 11 p.m. So hopefully makaapas pa ko kay Sabi kayo. Sad to say guys, close or wala na van going to Kanchanaburi. So I decided makitulog ko sa Samrong sa ko ang friend. So we'll see. Day 2 guys, so I'm going to Muchit right now.
เรียนผู้โดยสารโปรดทราบเพื่อป้องกันการแพร่ระบาดของโรคโควิด -19 ผู้โดยสารทุกท่านต้องสวมหน้ากากอนามัยก่อนเข้าระบบรถไฟฟ้าและตลอดเวลาใช้บริการโปรดยืนและนั่งโดยเว้นระยะห่างระหว่างกันลดการพูดคุยในขบวนรถขอบคุณค่ะ
I hope na ay van going.
Passengers are required to wear face masks before entering the BTS SkyTrain system. Please keep your mask on throughout your journey, maintain a safe distance while standing or sitting, and avoid talking in the train. Thank you.
I hope na ay van going to Kanchanaburi. Wala akong kausap sa tapon. Wala na ay van. So we'll see kung may van. So finally guys, makaulit dito Kanchanaburi. Again guys, ikaduha na lang yung stop. So, check ang temperature.